Good morning. I just wanted to share, I'm making my recipe that I've been loving these days for pumpkin bread. And I just wanted to share how quick and easy it is to make your own pumpkin puree. You just simply chop up your pumpkin into quarters, take out the seeds, and then I put it in a roasting pan with a little bit of water covered at 450. And then it's like literally just scooping out the pumpkin. And you've got pumpkin puree. So you don't need to buy canned pumpkin. And I honestly think it just, the house smells amazing. It's got this delicious roast smell of roasted pumpkin. And you get quite a lot. I've already taken 1.5 cups out of this pumpkin to use for my bread. And then I'm just gonna puree this. So honestly, that easy. And I also got lots of great seeds out of this little pie pumpkin that I can roast if you enjoy roasted pumpkin seeds. So yeah, give it a shot. Hope everyone's having a great start to their weekend. This pumpkin bread recipe, I have to share it with you. It has apple cider in it and homemade pureed pumpkin, brown sugar, so delicious. And I put a crumble topping on it. So brown sugar and oats on top is amazing. Great, have an awesome weekend, everyone.